Magnetic and geophysical surveys have always been a challenge. Some traditional equipment, like ground based magnetometers and demagnetized helicopters, are slow and expensive. So, how do we achieve safe, affordable, and detailed magnetic surveys? The answer lies in these flying machines called drones. Warm greetings to all. We are Team AeroWings from Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology, Chennai. It is a pleasure to introduce a project drone based intelligent magnetic sensing system and metallic anomaly detection system. This project is under the Ministry of Defense with code SIH 1414. Metallic surveys in defense are conducted to detect and identify metallic objects, which could include weapons, explosives, ammunition, or even hidden infrastructure such as tunnels or buried objects. The primary goal is to enhance security and minimize threats in defense and military settings. A drone based metal detector leverages unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with specialized sensors and technology to conduct surveys for detecting and identifying these metallic objects. In the realm of defense operations, safety and precision are paramount. The manual detection of underground metals poses significant risks due to the potential presence of explosives. To address this challenge, we AeroWings have developed an advanced solution, the drone based metal detection system. This system employs programmable drones such as the Pluto Nano. This Pluto Nano drone integrates cutting edge technology to autonomously scan suspected areas, detect underground metals, and relay critical information to decision makers in real time. Since our drone based metal detecting system has a minimal need of human intervention, it profoundly enhances safety and operational efficiency. It is equipped with flight controllers that autonomously cover the suspected areas. As the drone traverses the area, it detects metals and records their precise location with latitude and longitude coordinates. This real time data is invaluable for decision making. The information collected by the drone is displayed on the monitor accessible to the person in charge. This live feed provides instant insights into the field conditions. All data is securely stored in this cloud, ensuring data integrity and accessibility. This data can be analyzed and visualized later for comprehensive insights. One of the powerful applications of this system is the creation of heat maps in the cloud. These heat maps provide a clear visual representation of metal detection patterns, aiding in strategic decision making. The primary application of a drone based metal detection system is the detection of landmines. The system's precision and safety features make it an invaluable tool for demining operations, reducing the risk to personnel. Due to the lightweight and compact nature of the Pluto Nano drone, it can also be employed for surveillance and espionage purposes. This system incorporates a metal detector and a GPS module attached to an Arduino board, ensuring accurate metal detection and location recording. The Pluto Nano drone is programmable using Pluto Block software, enabling precise control of its flight path. Arduino IDE is used to program the metal detection functionalities with an LED light indicator providing real time feedback. AeroWings' drone based metal detection system represents a significant leap forward in defense technology by replacing dangerous manual methods with an automated, safe, and precise alternative. We not only protect our personnel but also enhance the effectiveness of operations. This technology can be a game changer in landmine detection on various other defense applications, making our forces safer and more efficient in the field.